Unveiling the secrets of the heart. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into a fascinating and emotionally charged phrase, secrets of the heart. This phrase touches on deep feelings, hidden desires, and the innermost parts of our emotional lives. By understanding it, you can enhance your English language skills and gain insights into the complexities of human emotions. Let's explore together what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, secrets of the heart, refers to those private feelings, thoughts, and desires that a person might keep hidden from others. These can include deep fears, unshared dreams, silent pains, or any private emotional experiences. The heart, in many cultures, is seen as the seat of emotions, making the secrets it holds very personal and profound. Understanding this phrase helps in comprehending the depth of human emotions and the complexity of our inner worlds. Secrets of the heart are crucial for several reasons. They often represent our truest selves, free from societal pressures or the need to conform. Acknowledging these secrets can lead to deeper self-understanding and emotional growth. Moreover, when someone shares their heart's secrets with you, it signifies a deep trust and emotional intimacy. Recognizing the weight of this sharing can strengthen relationships and foster closer connections. Using the phrase in conversation can add depth and empathy to your interactions. Here are some examples. When comforting a friend, you might say, "If you ever want to share the secrets of your heart, I'm here to listen." In a reflective moment, you could share, "I've been contemplating the secrets of my heart lately, trying to understand my true desires." To encourage open communication, you might suggest, "Let's share the secrets of our hearts. It might bring us closer." These uses highlight understanding, support, and the willingness to connect on a deeper emotional level. Exploring the secrets of the heart opens a window into the nuanced world of emotions and personal experiences. As we wrap up, remember that language is not just about words, it's about conveying the richness of human experience. Whether you're learning English or seeking to deepen your emotional connections, embracing the complexities of phrases like these can enrich your understanding of both language and life. I hope this video has illuminated the beautiful intricacies of secrets of the heart for you. Thank you for watching, and may you always find meaningful ways to share and understand the secrets held within your heart and the hearts of others.